हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम समीर। आज इस वीडियो में मैं बात करूंगा अपने एक दोस्त के साथ आप लोगों के सामने। एक जो है इंटरेक्शन हम लोग जो है यहाँ पे करेंगे, जो कि होगी पीएचडी इंटरव्यू में अक्सर पूछे जाते हैं जिस तरीके की सवाल, उनके हिसाब से हम लोग जो है अभी कुछ चीजें जो है डिस्कस करेंगे। तो आप लोग जरूर इस वीडियो को आगे देखते रहिए। और चलिए हम आपको थोड़ा सा इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं। ये हमारे दोस्त हैं,
Hi. Hi,
जिनका
all.
नाम है
I'm
हसीबुर
Hasibur Rahman.
रहमान।
Yes.
तो ये बहुत अच्छे, मतलब है फिजिक्स में बहुत अच्छे इनका नॉलेज है। ये जेआरएफ है।
समील भाई बटरिंग मत
अ,
कीजिए प्लीज।
अच्छा
काम
चलिए,
काम स्टार्ट
कोई
कीजिए।
बात नहीं। हाँ चलिए। तो हाँ, आज बात करूंगा मैं हसीबुर भाई से। तो हसीबुर भाई, आप बताइए, आप आज क्या पढ़ाएंगे, क्या
ओके,
करने का मूड है?
ऐसे तो कुछ फिक्स नहीं है बट मैं सोच रहा हूँ समथिंग बेसिक से स्टार्ट किया जाए। हार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर कुड बी नाइस ऑप्शन। ओके,
चलिए, ठीक है।
सो इज इट विजिबल द स्क्रीन? ओके,
यस यस यस।
ओके, ओके, थैंक्स। सो फर्स्ट आई वांट टू से अबाउट द सिंपल हार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर। दिस
सो
इज
नो नो नो, आपका जो है स्क्रीन जो है वो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है। आप जो है शेयर स्क्रीन कीजिए।
ओह
स्क्रीन नहीं
हो
दिखाई
हो,
दे रहा है।
सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी। ओके, दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा।
मैं समझ रहा था कि आप एक्सपर्ट हो इन चीजों में। आप तो कच्चे खिलाड़ी निकल रहे।
मेरा नूरानी चेहरा पे मत जाओ। So I want to introduce today simple harmonic oscillator. Simple harmonic oscillator. So first, there are two segments of this session. So first, I want to tell about classical harmonic oscillator. So what is the essence of classical harmonic oscillator? So basically हम लोगों को पता है जब in classical physics we can define a object's position and momentum simultaneously.
यस।
Okay. So एट टी इक्वल टू जीरो टाइम पे अगर किसी ऑब्जेक्ट का पोजीशन एंड मोमेंटम पता है एंड इन सब्सिक्वेंट टाइम पे भी पता है, सपोज टी इक्वल टू 5 सेकेंड एंड टी इक्वल टू 10 सेकेंड्स, एट ईच टाइम इंटरवल पे अगर पोजीशन एंड मोमेंटम पता है तो हमें पार्टिकल का ट्रेजेक्टरी पता है। एंड दिस इज द मेन इंपॉर्टेंट कंसिडरेशन ऑफ क्लासिकल मैकेनिक्स एंड दैट इज डिफर्स फ्रॉम क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स। In quantum mechanics, we can simultaneously define the position and momentum, and that is basically the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Okay, uncertainty principle. Now, first,
We can't define actually
yes,
that
we can
position and
define
momentum. We can't
simultaneously
define.
with arbitrary accuracy. Yeah. So,
Yes.
first, I want to give an example of simple harmonic oscillator. So, very simple example, that a bob pendulum. The bob is um, doing to and fro motion around an thread, so that is suspended from an object, suspended from ceilings, right? Okay, so
Okay.
बॉब का मोशन हो रहा है और यहाँ पे हम लोग कंसीडर करते थे एंगल। एंगल बहुत स्मॉल कंसीडरेशन करते हैं फॉर सिंपल हार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर मोशंस। In general, it could be in a circle also, the whole path. बट फॉर सिंपल हार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर वी कंसीडर करते हैं जो एंगल बहुत छोटा है। तो ठीक है, तो सिमिलर सिमिलर टाइप का अगर एक और एग्जांपल ले तो वो है आपका स्प्रिंग मास सिस्टम। सो देयर इज a spring
Hmm.
and mass, and so initially this is an equilibrium position. This mass will be at x equal to 0 position, and if we apply force, then there will be a motion, there will be a wave, simple harmonic motion. Fine. So is here it also basically go to and fro motion, and the maximum displacement is called the amplitude. This is the amplitude.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now, uh, now if there is a force. If you apply a force and applied force is in this direction, then there will be restoring force also.
Restoring
That
force.
restoring force due to this
Yes.
spring. Okay.
Okay.
So the F applied equal to minus kx.
Yes. This is the Hooke's law.
This is the Hooke's law.
Yeah.
So from Newton's second law, we can also tell that F applied equal to mx double dot, and that is equal to minus kx. So
Minus
from that,
X.
x double dot equal to minus k upon m x, that is minus omega square x. So this is the second order differential equation of displacement. Okay. And if you solve, this is the angular frequency omega, this is the spring constant, this is the mass of the object that is doing this motion. Now if you solve this second order differential equation, you will get x equal to a cos omega t plus minus phi. So this is the total phase of the object system. So from where it is starting its motion, depending on that phi value can be chosen. This is the amplitude of the displacement. Okay, this is the motion. This is fine. You have got,
Amplitude of the motion, actually.
yes, amplitude of the motion. So this is fine. And now if you can also get the velocity from here. That will be x dot, and that will be minus omega a sine omega t plus phi, plus minus phi.
Yes.
Now for if it is a conservative system, suppose there is no resistive force, then the total energy should be constant. Total from the conservation of law,
Yes. Hmm.
total energy is constant. So total energy consists of two parts, that is kinetic energy plus
And
potential
potential
energy.
energy.
So that is constant. Now kinetic
Yes.
energy, we know that this is a half m x dot square, and potential energy half k x square.
Kx square.
This is
Yes.
constant. Yeah. Now just we can see that there is one variable is x and another variable is velocity. And so, and if you can compare this equation with the elliptical equation, x square plus a square plus y square
Y square
by
plus
b
B
square
square.
equal to constant sum. So
Yes.
yeah, this will be the equation of
Basically, one.
yes,
One.
basically so it should be 1, and this is the equation of ellipse, this is the semi major axis, semi minor axis. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
okay, now let's plot this x. This is the x. Okay, and this is the x. Okay, and this is the velocity x dot. You
Okay.
can also say this is momentum, because if you can multiply with mass, it will be momentum. Okay, and if you can also use that kinetic energy also, half m x dot square.
Yes.
Okay, now the it will be ellipse. Okay, elliptical. Now let's understand this. This is called phase space, because the two coordinates, one is the position coordinate and another is momentum coordinates. So
Phase space is basically the multi-dimensional space
yeah,
co- containing the
yeah,
x coordinate and
yes,
momentum coordinates.
yes,
Okay.
yes, yeah.
Position coordinate and momentum
So yeah,
coordinates.
that is differing from the configurational space. That is just due to
Configuration.
the space,
Yes.
position space coordinates.
Yes.
Now let's understand this. What is this phase space tells? Okay, so for that we need to consider the potential energy of the harmonic oscillator.
Okay.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay, so the potential energy, that is basically half kx square. This is the potential energy, E potential, and this is x. So this is the equilibrium point. Okay, suppose there is a spring and the object is here. This is the equilibrium point, x equal to 0. At this point, there will be a minimum potential energy. The system is in stable state. And if we extend it, then there will be some motion, and due to that, the configuration is changed, and there will be a potential energy, okay, stored in that system. For,
If you change the color of pen, then that will be
okay, okay.
better, I think.
Okay. Up to this, it is okay. Now I will change. Is it fine?
Yes,
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah,
it's fine now.
thanks for the. Okay, so this is the potential energy. Now the total energy is constant. So let's take any constant total energy. Yeah. So it can be anywhere. It can be also this one. So suppose take that there is constant total energy
That
of
is
that object. Yeah.
actually the reference energy level.
Reference energy level. So the particle total energy, that kinetic energy plus potential energy. So
Yes,
if you see at this point, this potential energy and total energy coincides. That means at this point, E total um, equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Now E totals equals to potential energy. That means kinetic energy is 0 at this point. Kinetic energy is
yes,
0. Similarly, kinetic energy is 0 at this point. And
yes,
at this point, the potential energy becomes 0, so the kinetic energy maximum. Okay.
yes,
So same,
definitely.
yes, yeah. So these are the terminal point where the kinetic energy is 0. Okay, and this is the point, equilibrium point, where kinetic energy maximum. So this can be also be visualized from the phase space, that at the terminal point here and here, that velocity is 0, and at the equilibrium point the velocity is
Velocity is maximum
maximum. Okay.
due to the potential energy that is zero in that point.
Yes.
Okay, this
Now
beautiful concept.
I
Okay,
I want to add one more thing. Suppose,
okay. Please, please.
yeah. So this is the phase space for a object doing simple harmonic motion when there is no resistive force. So suppose if I have a this is velocity. Now if I have a damping term, suppose the simple harmonic oscillator, okay, that is that I immersed in a
Immersed
water,
in water.
or
Okay,
on a resistive medium.
that's
Yeah.
face some resistance.
Yeah, resistance. Then on what will happen, so it will uh, initially it will make that same phase space trajectory, but after on cycle, that position and momentum will reduce, okay, and finally it will go towards the central point, so where it will freeze. There will be no vibration, okay, and there will be no changes in the position. The object will be freezed completely. So these are the concept. This concept is very important. And usually in competitive exam, it comes in interview also. People ask, what are the phase space and what are the things?
यस
How?
यस यस
Yes, yeah,
ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट आज आपने यहाँ पे बताया है, ये कॉन्सेप्ट दरअसल पूछा जाता है एग्जाम में भी, डैम्प्ड हार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर के बारे में
yes.
क्वेश्चन भी आ चुका है यहाँ से।
Yeah.
और यहाँ से सवाल जो है आपका मतलब
Conceptually
अक्सर
ज़्यादा
पूछा
आता है।
जाता अक्सर अक्सर पूछा जाता है इंटरव्यू में, यहाँ से सवाल अक्सर पूछा जाता है। तो आपने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से यहाँ पे डिस्क्राइब किया है इस चीज को। आपको मेरे तरफ से तो मतलब शुक्रिया है ही।
Yeah, thank you.
और
We'll come
देखते
again.
हैं
Yeah.
कि व्यूअर्स क्या बोलते हैं।
Obviously.
हमें फीडबैक की जरूरत है। हम
व्यूअर्स को एक
देखेंगे क्या
रिक्वेस्ट है
है।
मेरी तरफ से, अगर किसी से डाउट हो कहीं पे तो कमेंट सेक्शन में बोलना, फिर मुझे समझने में आसानी होगा, नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं उसको रेक्टिफाई कर पाऊंगा।
जी जी, तो आप लोग जो है मतलब बिल्कुल जो है कहीं पे भी अगर समझ में नहीं आए, कहीं पे भी आपको अगर थोड़ा सा भी डाउट हो, तो आप बिल्कुल जो है कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हो। और बाकी जो है आप लोग जो है वीडियो कैसा लगा आप वो भी बता सकते हो, ठीक है। हमें फीडबैक चाहिए कैसा लगा, ठीक है ना आसिफ भाई?
यस, फिर हम ऐसे वीडियो और भी ले आ सकते हैं। ठीक,
ठीक है, हाँ, जरूर
ओके,
जरूर।
थैंक यू, बाय,
तो
टेक केयर
थैंक यू।
समील भाई।
यस, ठीक है।